In the middle of the Pacific Ocean, there was once an island so real it appeared on maps for more than a century. Ships avoided it, atlases printed it, scientists believed it existed. There was just one problem. When explorers finally went looking for it, there was nothing there. No land, no rocks, no island at all. So, how does an entire island vanish from the map? For centuries, maps were the ultimate source of truth. They told sailors where land existed, where danger waited, and where civilization ended. But maps have always carried secrets. Hidden in the vast blue emptiness between Australia and New Caledonia, one mysterious piece of land kept appearing over and over again. Its name was Sandy Island. Cartographers marked it clearly. Navigation systems recognized it. Even Google Earth once showed it, a dark shape in the ocean. A lonely island, supposedly stretching more than 20 kilometers long. There was only one strange detail: no one had ever actually set foot on it. Yet somehow, it remained on maps for over 100 years. How? And more importantly, how could the world discover it never existed? The story begins in 1876. A British whaling ship called Velocity sailed through the Coral Sea. According to reports, the crew spotted a previously unknown island, a black mass rising from the ocean, remote, uninhabited, mysterious. The sighting was recorded, coordinates were logged. Mapmakers did what they always did. They trusted the report, and Sandy Island was officially born. Soon, nautical charts included it. Explorers marked routes around it. Shipping companies treated it like a real obstacle. Generation after generation accepted its existence without question. Because once something enters a map, it becomes reality. Or at least, it feels real. Fast forward more than a century. Technology had changed everything. Satellites could image Earth from space. GPS could locate your exact position anywhere on the planet. Ocean floors were being mapped in stunning detail, and yet, Sandy Island survived. It migrated from old paper charts into modern digital systems. It appeared in databases. Scientific mapping projects copied it. Online maps displayed it. The Phantom Island had evolved. Not because new evidence proved it existed, but because old information kept being copied again and again and again. A ghost created by repetition. A lie that became truth simply because everyone believed it. Until 2012, when science finally went looking. In November 2012, a team of Australian scientists aboard the research vessel RV Southern Surveyor headed towards Sandy Island. Their mission wasn't even to find a mystery island. They were studying tectonic plates and ocean geology. But their route crossed directly over the coordinates of Sandy Island, a perfect opportunity to finally confirm what was there. As they approached, something strange happened. The ship's instruments showed ocean depth. Deep ocean. Not shallow coastal water, not reefs, not hidden land. Depth readings showed more than 1,400 meters beneath them. That was impossible. An island can't sit where the ocean floor drops nearly a mile deep. Then they reached the exact coordinates and saw nothing. Only open sea. Sandy Island had vanished. Or more accurately, it had never been there at all. This is where the mystery deepens. If there was never an island, what did sailors report seeing in 1876? Scientists have theories. One possibility is floating pumice. When underwater volcanoes erupt, massive rafts of volcanic rock can float across the ocean. From a distance, they can look like solid land, dark, wide, island-shaped. Another possibility is human error. Navigation in the 1800s was imperfect. Coordinates could be wildly inaccurate. Cloud formations, weather distortion, and mirages at sea could create illusions. And once the first mistake was recorded, The myth spread. Maps copied maps. Charts copied charts. Databases copied databases. A simple error became accepted fact for 136 years. Sandy Island raises a disturbing idea. What else on our maps is wrong? Not fantasy islands, but missing forests, incorrect borders, hidden archaeological sites, unmapped caves, entire underwater mountains no human has seen. Even today, much of our planet remains poorly understood. We have photographed Mars in incredible detail, yet large parts of Earth's oceans remain mysterious, unknown, unexplored, beyond the map, and that may be the strangest fact of all. The world still contains places we do not fully know, places hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered or erased. Sandy Island never existed, but for more than a century, humanity believed it did. Which raises a haunting question. What else do we still believe that simply isn't real? If you want to explore more forgotten mysteries of our world, subscribe to Beyond the Map and keep going beyond what we know.